Hi, welcome back. Today we are doing a tutorial on this look. It is perfect for summer. I hope you like it. First, I'm using the LaRoc Pro Artistry book, taking the shade Mulberry and packing that onto the first half of the crease. Then we're going to diffuse that with shade Psycho, and then diffusing it again with Circus. Taking Mulberry again, you want to press that in to the skin. Don't be swiping, we want small circular motions. Pack that on, press it in. Then the same again with shade Psycho. And finally Circus. Then take any base, your favourite one, whichever it is. I'm using the Plouise base in shade 2 and just use it to map out this oval shape. We're then going to take Circus again from the LaRoc Artistry book and pack that onto the inner and outer corners. Then we're going to use the shade Self-Made from the LaRoc Artistry book chapter 2 and pack that all over the centre of the lid. And that is it. Very quick, very easy and very straightforward to do. Living your best, colourful life. And that is how I got this beautiful summer look. I think it's very colourful, very bright, very what I'm into at the moment. I just wanted to keep the eye tutorial short and to the point, so I didn't want to include any base makeup. But if that's something that you are interested in, then please do let me know and I will film a new tutorial showing how I do my base. But it really is nothing special, so that's why I didn't include it. As always, I will list everything that I've used in the description, including shade names, for those of you who are interested. But other than that, I hope you have a wonderful week. Love you. Bye.